Hello everybody, this is Montgomery and I'm going to dedicate this video to YouTube user 90BAZ. I've fixed the rub issue on my door. If you're wondering how I did it, well, I found in my dad's shed, I found a little block deal with some sandpaper on it, and I sanded away at the top, sanded the door at the very top, and now it works great. See, if you can hear that, it still rubs a little bit, but it ain't rubbing enough to cause the door to act up. So you want to see a closing demonstration? Here it is. See? If in case you've been wondering, the sweep and latch now are the same, or just about the same. So it sweeps it a little fast, and then the latch, it latches the door. If you want, I'll go get a screwdriver and I'll back out the sweep valve so you can see the sweep speed, so you can see the full induced, so you can see the latch speed a little better. We'll go ahead. Now it's going to show the speeds a little better. See? See? One more time. One more time for the picture. So anyways, that's it.